You know what grinds my gears? All right, we've all been there. You're having a perfectly normal phone conversation and suddenly, beep. You try to ignore it, but it won't let you. Beep. It's like a tiny, annoying alarm clock going off every 30 seconds. Now I'm sitting here thinking, sir, ma'am, do us all a favor and change the damn battery. I mean, how do you live with that constant beep in your life? It's not a background noise, it's a foreground disturbance. Imagine having guests over and that relentless beep just ruins the vibe. You wouldn't let your car beep like that, so why let your smoke detector? So next time you hear that infernal beep, don't just sit there. Get up, grab a new battery, and change it. Not now, but right now. Trust me, everyone in your life will thank you, and you'll finally know the sweet, sweet sound of silence.